Well, welcome back in. We're taking a live look at Tampa, Florida right now. The Tampa skyline is supposed to be behind this sheet of rain. You can see some of the lights in there, but it is a heavy rainfall coming in as Milton moves closer. The National Weather Service there just issued an extreme wind warning, which residents should be treating as a tornado warning as the eye wall comes onto shore. It is the first of this type of warning in the city's history. So clearly we've got some historic and catastrophic things happening with Milton. Let's take a live look at where Milton is now on radar. You can see that the edge of that eye wall is in fact just north of Sarasota, moving into the Bay Area. The heavy rainfall with reds and yellows on there is causing that sheet of rain you saw. We had a lot of tornado warnings, some confirmed tornadoes on there, an outbreak taking place earlier this afternoon. Now as we roll into tonight, those bands are back off the coast, so the tornado activity is going to stay out of Florida for now. This is the big important part here, is that eye wall, and as it continues to make landfall here tonight, again, the center of the eye wall has to cross onto land for it to be considered landfall specifically, but over the course of the next 3 to 4 hours, the worst of this storm is coming through, and we're going to be keeping a close eye on that, of course. Prayers to our folks and our friends that are down in the Tampa Bay area here tonight, all up and down the coast, of course, too. Futurecast continues to show that that storm spins onto land 10 p.m., still bringing heavy rain, of course, the hurricane force winds, and continues to work across Florida into the early parts of tomorrow morning. It's going to move back off the east coast of Florida by about 10, 11 a.m. tomorrow, and then we're going to see this thing get out of our hairs here for the rest of the week. But the peak storm surge somewhere between 12 to 15 feet in some spots, likely, again, especially along where that eye wall is. Both sides of Florida are going to catch some heavy storm surge with that. We've got hurricane winds 74 plus miles an hour for over a minute average. Those hurricane winds continue to fly right into the Tampa Bay area here this evening. As we continue to watch, Hurricane Milton quickly moves across and again gets out of town for us quickly as we head into next week. Lasts a while though out into the Atlantic as at least a tropical storm, but that is the main weather feature for us here, the big story in our weather department. We've got high pressure in the area across the region here that's pushing against Milton. Also, fronts off the east coast are actually trying to pull Milton that direction. Only reason why Milton can't get up towards us and bring us any kind of rain here over the next couple of days. So with that high pressure back here, the forecast at home is clear. We've got sunshine across the board. Temperatures right now falling from where they were in the mid 70s down into the low 70s, and we're headed down into the 40s again overnight tonight. Clear, chilly, and a repeat. Maybe not as chilly as last night, but a repeat tomorrow with highs getting back into those mid 70s. Some spots getting stuck in the upper 60s. A northeast breeze pulls us down just a little bit, but I do think it's going to be a nice one for us again here the rest of the week. The warmer air continues into the weekend. We talked about this many times. The cold front comes in late Sunday, and we get a cold blast of air for early next week. 7-day forecast will show you we've got a chance for frost both Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, and that's going to be the only other thing outside of an isolated chance for showers as we get into early Monday.